Measure 6 inches on both sides. Then you get the midpoint, which is 3 inches. From there, you measure 1 inch above, then 1 inch below. You connect at the midpoint in a triangular way, but ensure it is curved, not pointed. Then you measure 1 inch on the other side, then 2 inches below. Then you connect the line, then you cut. So now sew the triangular like shape side together. Then do the same for the other fabric you want to use for the facing as well. You can make use of your sewing machine or your thread and needle. Anyone you have, just make do with it. Then while sewing with your thread and needle, make sure you draw a line and follow the line properly to ensure your sewing is straight and neat. Then join your fabric at the upper part and the lower part together, and you turn it to the other side. Cut out 4 inner joining to the edge of your material, both edge, and make sure you stitch it firmly so that the elastic pull off line. So click like, share and subscribe.